Stop the video.
Ano daw? Ano sabi mo, Nay?
Nakakataya.
Grabe naman. Yay! Hi! Smile ka, baby, smile!
Masarap ba na? Dapat na malalim.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say.
Ayaw na. Ayaw niya na, Nay? Malamig?
Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet.
Saya ba maligo, Nay? Kaway na, kaway.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Masarap ba maligo?
Wan, bye-bye sa video. Bye-bye. Masarap na mahirap daw.
Mancho, smile! Smile ka, baby, smile! Asim!
Kinikilig ko.
Wan, smile!
Balik tayo, ma. Ito na lang sa'yo. Akin na yan. Akong ganap.
Yun na, sakay na.
Wait lang, ma.
Kailangan i-convince yung sarili masarap. Kasi mahal. At nawawala na naman po ang octopus. Ayan, nakita na rin sa wakas.
Ako na magtatabi ng octopus mo para di nawawala. Oo, nakasave na naman.
Ang ending. Walang mabili.
Ending, wag bang mongkok na lang kami.
Nating kami mahal. Ang ending, wala akong nabiling sapatos. Tik, tik. Yay! Yay! Ay! No! Okay. Give me, give me. Give, ate, give. Give me. M. Bye-bye. Oh!
Yay!
Up, up, up!
Ayan, no?
Up, up, up! Wow!
my God!
안녕하세요. 안녕, ¿cómo estás?
Very good. Push, push, push. Oops, oops. Here, here, here. One, bye-bye. What's that? Ball? Ball, ball. Boogs.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Ano wish mo na yan?
Ay lang.
Ano gusto mo?
Oh, ayan na. Oh, guess the bill. Memorable na ako. Ate Abby, ikaw na.
Mga 680 plus.
Mama eh.
4 nines. Number. Number.
5-1. Ikaw na pa.
Pinakamalapit, $50 ha. Pinakamalapit.
Taboy ikaw. Taboy.
Tingnan mo po ya, $50.
5-8.
Koy.
7-2.
Hindi ako kasali, nakita ko.
6,128.
7-8. 7-8. Price reveal. 7-8 ako ha. 7-8 ako.
Total ha, 4 number. 6,000. 6,022. John Roy. 612.
Dahil dyan, ikaw magbabayan. Oh,
It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too.
Now we are going to Macau. It's currently, what time now? 6:37. 6:37 p.m.
to Macau. Just gonna buy some jerky and also like some egg tart.
Egg tart and what?
Also some apple products.
Apple product?
1 kilo.
Yes, ma'am. What can you say about our trip for today?
So late.
Yeah, it's almost 7 p.m.
It's already so late.
Yes. So see you guys there. Bye.
Sana lola.
Financial
Sana lola.
na lolo.
Besa. Oo, naman sa sinay.
Hi guys! Hi na! Ngayon lang. Pasok. Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo? OA. Ang OA mo. OA ka ba? Uy, wala pa nga eh. OA ka ba, Nay? OA nga. Uy, ano ba, Nay? Anong wish mo sa fountain?
Wish na pumayat ako. Wish.
Sa likod daw, tapos iagis niya. Baka matamaan niya ibang tao.
Yes, amen. Grabe guys, look at that view. Look at the architecture of this hotel, of their lobby. My gosh, it feels so unreal, so surreal. By the way, we're heading out now guys, and see you tomorrow.